Hello, welcome to this ROS question and answer video tutorial. My name is Marco Arruda and today I'm gonna show how we can solve the problem of this user. Basically, he's trying to publish a negative value from the command line, okay? So here goes the problem. He's trying to do like this, ROS topic pub to this topic here. And the kind of message is standard messages, integer, which means unsigned integer 16, and the value he wants, so minus this value right here. Okay, so basically we have two problems here and I'm gonna show you how we can solve that. In order to do that, let's use the RDS, ROS Development Studio. If you don't have an account yet, you can create a new one just following the link in the description of this video. And after that, you're gonna be able to see the list of public projects and your own private projects. Okay. In order to show this example, I'm gonna create a new one. It's very simple. So let's try to publish negative values from the terminal, from the command line. I'm gonna put the same for the description. And here we have a new project. So let's open it. We must wait a few seconds until our environment is ready. Okay, it's done. And in order to show how to solve the problem, this time I'm just gonna use some terminals, okay? One for publishing, another for subscribing the message. So we have already some topics here, but we are not gonna work with them. We want to create a new one, so let's try to publish. Let's try to do like this, ROS topic pub, and we have here ROS topic pub to this topic called servo, this kind of message, unsigned integer, and the value minus 100h. Okay, so basically we have two problems here. The first one is that we are working with an unsigned integer, so we cannot try to pass this negative value here. Okay, and the second one, and actually it's the reason of the terminal error, is that if you try to pass something in the command line after this minus, it's being interpreted as an argument, but actually this is not an argument, this is not a valid argument for this command here, okay, because this is the value you want to send. So if you want to publish, let's say we are trying to publish just a positive value, this is gonna work. Okay, let's take a look here. In our topic we have servo, and here we have the value. It works, okay. But actually the ROS command line is handling for us this way of publishing, but the truth is that every message in ROS is a struct. This kind of struct or object. And just to show that, I have opened here another tab that is showing this unsigned integer 16 message. So actually this is not a pure value, just an integer. Actually this is an struct, and it has this attribute called data. This one is the kind of unsigned integer 16, but not the message, the standard message uint16. Okay, so let's say the formal way of publishing to a topic, if you don't want to write it, you can just use tab and it completes for you. So that's the right way, or not the right way, but the formal way of publishing through the command line, because actually we have this attribute here called data. Okay, so let's try to publish 180, and of course it works. So here is one problem solved. Okay, now we can use the minus to publish, but actually we are going to fall into another problem because we are trying to publish a negative value to this unsigned integer. Okay, so if you want to publish a negative value, you should use a regular integer, just integer, and now you are able to publish a negative value. Okay, so this seems to be a very simple question, but actually could make you waste some time during your development. Okay, so I hope it can help you, and don't forget, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get a new video about ROS every day. Thanks.